Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Yes guys, welcome back to Bells TV, and I am back with another video. And guys, from the title down below, you know what comes, so I'm not going to go in at the title, but I just want to say thanks to everybody who subscribe, who tune in, who share the video, them who comment and who watching. Guys, please may I beg you to subscribe and you just leave no comments. Yeah, alright. So before we get into the video, I just want to tell you to follow all social media platforms. Billy Warner Jr. _ Jenna Instagram, my one Determinecavi Instagram business page, Jewel and Grill Instagram, and our Facebook are Cavian Levy and Junior Bell. So under those link up on them places when you know, so when I upload on YouTube. So let's jump right into the video. So guys, here's the time. I'm gonna think I can't go see it. No, yeah, I see there. So this is the timer. Billy, I got in the background with the timer. So yeah. So red, start up the timer now, babe.
You ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 1, 2,
Start the timer.
3. But yeah, waste time.
I even start it. Tell me when I start it.
Go.
Alright, I'm going with my foundation first before I do anything else. How much minutes?
3 minutes. Then now go in with the concealer. Four, 3, 2, 1. Stop.
So guys,
Stop.
this is what I actually get done. Foundation and on my eyebrow. That's it. See there. The lights look a little bit bright. This is what I get done. So I'm going to finish up my face and come right back. So guys, I said I want to come back on camera, come do me lip. There you have it, guys. This is the end result. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, leave your thoughts in the comment section, and I will be challenging Ocean JA, Urches TV, and Romy and Shan, that's Shan from Romy and Shan. So now go ahead and do the 5 minutes makeup challenge, and yeah, so see you all in our next video. Bye guys.